Okay, you gotta let Lydia help you.
How do you get up here?
Okay, open it. On your marks. Get set, go!
Wow!
Whoa! Do you guys know what that is?
Play-Doh?
That's right. And these allow you to make shapes and different things with them. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna make Play-Doh creations, and these are molds. These are Play-Doh and make some cool shapes. Okay, we have green, we have blue, we have orange, we have yellow, and we have pink. Oh, it smells so yummy. Smell that. Shapes. Oh, look at the kind of cool shapes. So let's see what kind of different shapes they have. Oh, look, we can press it. So this is a presser, like a garlic presser.
Let me try. How do you do this?
I just ripped a little piece off
This?
and then stuck it inside. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what's this? Is this supposed to be like a hamburger patty?
I'm gonna make a
I don't know, maybe.
one.
Oh, look at we can make Play-Doh ice cream. Here's the ice cream cones. There you go, Liddy. Oh, look at we can make. I guess this is supposed to be like a tomato, maybe. Cool. This is awesome. Oh, rainbow ones. That's neat. Oh, the Sunday Scoot one. Oh, and here's a Sunday Scoot one for Logan.
Sunday!
So here, I'm gonna
I'm gonna
pack
make the
it in.
yummiest ice cream of all time.
Oh, look at that. See? I think, oh, this might be lettuce. There's whatever. There's this mold. Oh, here's a Sunday Scoop again. Oh, what's this one? Oh, it's supposed to be maybe like a little pizza slice. Maybe it's supposed to be cheese. Oh, it's a roller. So you can roll out. See, so you can roll it out flat. Oh, maybe this is to make waffles? What do you guys think? What do you think this one would be? We have black. That's cool. So I'm going to put a little bit of Play-Doh in here. Oh, what's Logan doing? Okay, watch this, guys.
What are you making? What are you making?
And it makes like a little star.
Look what I make! Sunday!
Oh, that looks like such a yummy sundae. What do you think, Liddy?
I'm gonna put white.
Oh, that's a weird color.
Can I
It's
see?
like yellowy white.
Can I see?
What do you got there?
Yeah.
You got some Play-Doh.
Yeah.
And you got green Play-Doh. And pink Play-Doh. And green Play-Doh. And pink Play-Doh. And green Play-Doh. Oh, pink, green, pink, green, pink, green. So this is my Play-Doh that I got. Flatten mine out. Well, that's what happens. You got a little bit of water on it. Stick. I'm going to make a sandwich.
My
Like this.
Sunday.
Like
Look at my
this.
Sunday. Look at my Sunday.
Oh, now it looks super yummy. You got some chocolate in there, some strawberry and vanilla. Well, this is white. Oh, you got a yummy ice cream too? Yeah, me.
I feel like that I can eat that.
Nom, 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 nom. Is Play-Doh making us hungry for ice cream?
Yeah.
What should I make?
You should make a Sunday Scoop.
I made this cool design when I put it in the mold. Cool. Oh, look, you can make a little cupcake holders and whatever this is, the square mold. And with a green one, a fuchsia, I guess. Oh, it's a squishy one. So we stick it in there and we squish it together. Try yellow. I'm gonna try black. So I filled this up. I'm gonna squish it, squish it, squish it.
Squish it.
Oh, you know what this is for? It's to make a fudgesicle or a little handle in there. I don't know if it came.
Look what I made.
It must come with a handle.
I make it really good.
Oh, and look at a plate for everybody.
And I'm like,
found the thing.
Hey, Mom, look. Look at that. Good Sunday. You like my Sunday?
I love it. I found the Sunday sticks. Okay, so I'm gonna make a
Can I have a popsicle too? I'm gonna make a rainbow one, okay? Just like my Sunday one.
Oh, so this is my vanilla sundae. Nom, nom.
Can I try?
Sure. And here's a stick. They sure will. Oh, I know what this is. Look at. Oh, we could eat pretzels.
Oh, cool. That's cool.
Yummy pretzels.
Look what I'm making.
Who loves pretzels?
Me. Look what I'm making. A good Sunday.
Yeah, Liddy.
Look at that. Comment down below if I'm making a better one than Mom.
What? Better one than a better one than Mom.
Yeah.
That's it, Logan. You're going down. I'm gonna make a burger.
I got it.
I make the burger, and you can make the dessert.
Yeah. I want to make a popsicle.
Yeah, that's a dessert.
Meat.
Now, what does a sundae require? The meat, of course. I need red.
Where's it?
Where did you have the red?
I used all of it.
Did you? Okay, well then I'm gonna have an undercooked patty.
Okay. That's better. Right?
Do you have the brown? Oh, I'll use the brown.
You have the brown.
Do you like it, Liddy? You like Play-Doh? Yeah? Is it fun? She's having fun. That's good. Nice.
Mommy.
Oh, what do you got, Liddy? So now I have the meat for my burger.
Really good.
Nummy, nummy. And what else does a burger need?
Meat
Lettuce.
and meat. Right?
I got the meat. Got the meat in my burger. Yep.
Ooh, this is hard. I need a plate. Here's a plate.
Here's a plate.
Thank you.
Oh, Liddy, look at your ice cream. Your ice cream looks nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got 2 little pieces.
Yeah. Look at my ice cream.
Oh,
So
now I got the
cute.
lettuce.
Now look.
I think that a good burger always needs
Lettuce.
cheese. Cheese. Where's the cheese?
That's good. A good burger.
A good burger has cheese.
Oh, you're supposed to do this. Yep. I'm gonna need some.
We'll have a couple of cheese slices. Oh, are you eating your ice cream? Mmm, nom 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 nom. Are you pretending? Yeah. See, Daddy won't have to make dinner anymore. Alright. You think Daddy's gonna want to have... Oh, this is pie. That's what this one is. Pie, duh. Oh, this one's strawberries. I get it. I see it now. It's supposed to be strawberries and a few other things. Oh, it's a little house. It's a little house. Spoon. Are you pretending to have your ice cream? Yeah, you're so good.
I made a good.
Logan doesn't need a spoon. I don't like...
Playing with them.
No, no, no. I don't like that the colors combine. That's what I don't like.
I like them.
Well, I don't like once they're combined together, you can't take them apart. Like they're stuck together. So there's no longer just like yellow. You now have, you know, whatever color you mixed it with, brown or whatever. Okay, I'm still working on my yummy burger here. Got some tomato left
Look
to
at mine,
make.
Mom.
Whoa! Yeah, that looks like the most yummiest.
Right here.
The yummiest popsicle ever. And Lydia, your sundae is just yummy nummies. Yummy nummies!
Here's this chocolate.
And there's my tomato.
Tomatoes are big.
Okay, guys. Here is the yummiest burger Play-Doh has ever made. Look at that yummy burger. You want to eat some? Come on, take a bite. Tastes kind of like
Wait.
Play-Doh. Funny.
You're funny.
Oh, look at there's like a little knife here. Oh, let me just. Where's my plate? Where's my plate? Oh, Lydia.
I took it.
Let's just. We're gonna cut my burger.
I'm a bad guy.
Oh, there we go.
I'm a bad guy.
Oh, Lydia, do you want me to make you a pie?
I'm a bad guy.
You're a bad guy. No one likes bad guys. Who wants to be a bad guy?
Me.
Why would you want to be a bad guy? Do you think, Lydia? Oh, don't. Did you actually put it in your mouth? Yuckies.
Where she gets
Yuckies.
She gets there.
I don't recommend putting it in your mouth. No. Okay, I'm going to make a yummy pie now. Now that I've finished my burger,
You're gonna make a yummy, silly, dilly pie.
I'm going to make a pie. That's right. Oh, do you want a plate? Would Lydia like a plate? You can have mine, love. Where's your tea set? Get your tea set. We'll open it.
I'll open mine up. Ooh, yummy, yummy!
Oh, Lydia, what happened?
Sunday, ice cream, come get your Sunday. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Sunday.
You stay here, Popsicle.
Here you go, love. Have some tea.
Tea.
Oh, and here's some milk for your tea.
Oh, good job having stuff.
Oh, and don't forget we have to have the sweet love for our tea. Here's the tray for all our goodies. We have donuts, and we have a cookie, and maybe another biscuit. Ooh, and a brownie. 2 brownies. And 2 cookies. And, of course, the other. We're all going to have to go to the dentist after we... Oh, it looks so yummy. You made. Oh, look at that popsicle, dude. That looks like so yummy. I don't even know what to say. What color should I use in our pie, darling? Orange.
Yep.
Liddy, do you like to have tea set? Yeah, you like to have tea? Lydia likes to have a tea party.
No, it's my turn.
Does Logan like to have a tea party? No.
She's disgusting.
Where's the tea? Bring the tea. Winston.
I got the tea.
Winston, bring the tea.
Here. Yeah.
Thank you, Winston. Fill her up. Fill her up on the tea. Oh, here, would you like some tea? Here you go.
Mom, I need another stick.
Where's the other stick? Oh, here's one.
Thanks.
You know, now I'll do green. Oh, no, I'm going to do orange. There. Okay, I just made the world's greatest pie, you guys.
Okay.
Honestly. It doesn't get much better than this.
Ouch.
The world's greatest pie, you say? Oh, thank you for the tea, love. Thank you for the tea.
I'll make a better one than you, little one.
Awesome. I'll wait for that. Give you some water. Oh, look at the tracks. Cool.
I knew.
That's cool.
Oh, yeah, I knew it will make that.
Nice.
So many more Play-Doh. We had fun, huh? little bit of green. Here comes the fire truck, wave hello. Papi. How can I do this? I need a little plate, Mom.
Here you also. So, Logan, was it super fun what we did today?
Yeah.
Are you really enjoying the Play-Doh? I am too. Liddy, did you enjoy having? No. She doesn't even know what I was going to say. She said no. I think she did enjoy a tea party. Anyways, we had a great time. Logan also learned something. And you guys get outside and use your imagination to learn and educate yourselves and have fun at the same time. And we will see you on the next episode of Rascally TV. See you next time. Say bye.
Bye.